You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
All right, so we have a special guest back from like 3 years ago.
Not three. Like a year ago.
A year ago. So how are you doing? Let's give you some FaceTime.
Yeah, we collabed about a year ago. I just graduated college, so back in business, trying to get my photography up. But TJ decided that I was going to be the model this time, so we'll see how this goes.
Okay, you got confidence in me?
Yeah, for sure.
Or else you wouldn't be right here.
No, I wouldn't. Yeah.
She has confidence. Okay, so today we got a LED setup, something a little bit different. Let me show you all what we got going on. So of course we got the model. Okay, and she got on me about her name last time. I ain't say it right immediately.
You can just stick to Shay.
Yeah, we will stick to Shay. Okay. So I have this Photo 100 watt light that they sent me to try out. So we're gonna try that out today. And that's gonna be one light. So we have that and a 34-inch beauty dish. And then we have this ambit full light, 80 watt light that they sent me also, that we're gonna put with this LED light. Then in the back, we have another light that they sent me. So we got this yellow light that we're gonna try to put on the background. Now everything is basically continuous light, so we are going to end up turning off all the additional ambient light so we could focus on the model right here. Model / photographer.
Yes.
With the Nikon gang, right?
Hey, gang.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD, and I'm here to talk to you about one of the most important light modifiers that you can use, especially inside the studio. Now this is the grid. I want you to take notice to how we have all the colors blending and spilling in this image, and we have more of a pink magenta type feel. As I start to incorporate the grids, you start to see more controlling of the light, and you really get to control the environment inside the studio, which is why a lot of people love using the studio. So take a look at these comparisons with the grid. Complete difference.
1, 2. We got that right there. Put this a little bit more on the backdrop. All right, let's try it with that.
Wrap it around.
Yeah, so you could just wrap it like around your shoulder. 1, 2. All right, put it like over your head, like right here a little bit. You don't gotta be, yeah. And then bring it down, yeah. And that left hand, kind of like bring it up across there a little bit, yeah. Perfect. 1, 2. What side do you like the best? Yeah, okay. All right, yeah, turn it kind of hard to your right a little bit. Yeah, just like that. And I want you to look off right here. Perfect. Yes, right there. Perfect. Give me a fake smile. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's how you gotta do it. That's how you gotta do it. All right, perfect. All right.
What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD, and if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.